So this kit's going to have a few options on the website. You can get the basic kit, which is just wiring, and then there's add-ons from there with charging. So to kind of kick things off, I guess you could say the heart of the standalone lithium kit is going to be our two-way Perco switch right here. Now the switch is labeled real easy to identify which battery you're drawing power from. So how the kit works is if I turn this switch right here to the L position, that means our graphs are now running off of lithium. Alternatively, let's say the lithium has a BMS failure, you run it dead by the end of the day and it goes to sleep, or so, for whatever reason, shape, or form, you didn't charge your battery, you can come back to that same switch and switch it to the A position, which allows the graphs to now run off of your primary cranking battery, which our recommendation is to run like an X231 AGM, so you have a proper size AGM in the event you need to switch over. Now, the benefit of this system is, as I just showed, is we're able to have on-demand alternative battery power. So we can either have the graphs running lithium or run them in AGM. So there's redundancy there.